dog winked, waved, and walked in the woods. And all of a sudden, hey, what do you know? The sun came out and made a triple rainbow. The sun came out and made a triple rainbow.
I have all the colors of the rainbow, so I thought if I added them together, it would make a rainbow. But instead, it made this brown splotch.
You were trying to make a rainbow by mixing together all the pigments. To make a rainbow, you need white light. Rainbows are merely white light refracting off of water droplets in the sky. Refracting means bending, and that bending of light shows us all the colors of the rainbow. Hey, Paige! Let's make a rainbow together!
Okay, rainbow!
Hey!
Here's 2 simple activities for experimenting with making your own rainbows by refracting light.
For the first one, all you need is a cup of water, a small mirror, and sunlight.
The bending of light, aka refraction, produces a chromatic and vivid attraction.
No way to walk on it, no foothold at the end of the arc, there's no pot of gold.
But who needs gold when the colors appear? Those untouchable colors in Earth's atmosphere. The magical, mythical, meaningful glow. The spectrum of light we call a rainbow.
The spectrum of light we call a rainbow.
That was so much fun. For the second experiment, you'll need that same glass of water,
A pair of scissors,
2 pieces of white cardboard or cardstock,
an LED light,
and a
dark room.
It's spectacular.
Rainbow, rainbow, high up in the sky. Hello, rainbow, rainbow, hello, hi. When the rainstorm is over and the sun begins to shine, I look up at the sky because it might be rainbow time.
When precipitation's at an end and the sun begins to shine.
Ooh, so beautiful.
Conditions for a rainbow are exceptionally prime. When the sun shines down on the water droplets, we see the ultraviolet spectrum of colors. Red,
Red,
orange,
orange,
yellow,
yellow,
green,
green,
blue, and
violet too.
Hey, Rainbow,
Yep.
can you stay for dinner?
Oh, that's the thing about us rainbows. We can't stick around forever, and we always disappear. Bye-bye.